Hey there, it's Erin here at Readwise, and I'm here today to help you get set up with Reader. Reader is the very first Read It Later app built specifically for power users, and it's going to enable you to finally bring all your content into one place. This includes web articles, email newsletters, PDFs, EPUBs, RSS feeds, and so much more. So let me show you how to get started. Quick disclaimer before we dive in. This product has a massive amount of surface area. We've basically built 5 different reading apps into one. And this app needs to work on Chrome, Firefox, and Safari, as well as iOS and Android devices. For this reason, Reader is still in what we would call public beta. That said, we've had thousands of beta testers battle testing this software over the past year, and unless you have a unique configuration, it should be rather reliable. If you hit any snags while using Reader, you can easily submit feedback for our team right within the app. I'll show you how to do this later. To get started, head to read.readwise.io to import your existing Instapaper or Pocket library if you have one. Download the Reader web extension for your preferred web browser, and install our mobile app. One thing you should know about Reader is that it's cross-platform, meaning it works on both desktop and mobile devices, with automatic syncing across both platforms. For the purpose of this onboarding, I'm going to demo our desktop interface. Welcome to your Reader account. If you've imported your existing library from Instapaper or Pocket, you'll see your 10 most recently saved items in your inbox location, all your archived items in your archive location, and everything else in your later location. You'll also notice this document called Getting Started with Reader, which is a really fun and easy to read walkthrough on how to get immediate value out of the software. To save articles into Reader on web, you'll use our browser extension, which I highly recommend pinning to your toolbar for easy access. Just click on the extension and you'll receive this notification letting you know this article was saved into your Reader account. From here, you can jump into the app and start reading the parsed version. In addition, this extension also enables you to highlight the open web. You'll notice this extension even works on paywalled articles, assuming you're logged in. To save articles into Reader on your phone, you need to first install the mobile app, and then you can save things from the share sheet. In addition to saving articles to read for later, just like you can do in Instapaper or Pocket, Reader also supports a variety of other content types, including RSS feeds, email newsletter subscriptions, books in the form of EPUBs, PDFs, plus videos and podcasts coming soon. You can learn how to import these other content types simply by clicking into the section and reading the instructions on the right-hand sidebar, or clicking this blue plus icon for additional options. In building an all-in-one reading app, we noticed there are 2 types of content. There's content that you manually save for yourself, like web articles, PDFs, EPUBs, and then there's content that's automatically pushed to you, like RSS and email newsletters. To keep this content separate, Reader has 2 broad sections, the library and the feed. Library is where things you manually save go for safekeeping. Feed, on the other hand, is where things that are automatically pushed to you are going to wait until you review them and decide whether you want to save them into your permanent library or not. You can learn more about setting up your Reader feed in our special feed tutorial, which I'll link below. One thing you should know now as you're getting started is that if you want to quickly import your existing RSS feeds from another feed service, you can do so by exporting an OPML file and then uploading that to Reader. You'll also notice this home section, which offers a quick look at everything in your library and your feed and can help you decide what to read next. You can also customize and rearrange the sections in your home screen by clicking Configure. You can learn how to create and pin your own custom views to this home screen and left-hand sidebar in our Filtered Views tutorial, which I'll link below. We designed Reader with power users in mind, meaning you can navigate this entire interface using keyboard shortcuts. You can learn these shortcuts by hovering over any action in Reader and seeing the tooltips, hitting Command K to pull up Reader's command palette, or simply hitting the question mark on your keyboard. These keyboard shortcuts are unfortunately not customizable at this time, but we hope to make that work in the future. Now I'm going to show you how to use keyboard shortcuts to triage your Reader inbox. To queue an article for later, hit L. To archive an article, simply hit E on your keyboard. And to undo any action, hit Z. You can tag any article by hitting T, and if you click on this document tag, you can see all the documents in your library that contain this tag. You can also search your entire reader library using our lightning-fast full-text search by hitting the / key. These keyboard shortcuts also translate to your reading and annotating experience. You can use your up and down arrows to scroll through an article. You can hit H to highlight the entire paragraph or drag your cursor over a specific sentence. You can also highlight images and preview any highlights and annotations in this Notes tab to the right-hand side. Last but not least, if you're looking to get into a super focused reading mode, you can use your bracket keys to collapse one or both of these sidebars. Right now, you can think of Reader as another reading app that integrates with Readwise, albeit seamlessly because they share the same database. Every highlight you make in Reader instantly syncs with Readwise, and then from Readwise to any note-taking app you've connected in your Readwise dashboard. For now, any pre-existing highlights from other services such as Kindle will not be displayed in your Reader account. Over time, though, our vision is to create a unified experience between Readwise and Reader, where you can see and manage all of your highlights right within the Reader interface. As I mentioned at the start of this video, Reader is still in early beta. So, if you have any suggestions or hit a bug while using this product, we've made it easy for you to alert us right within the app. On desktop, click on this chat icon in the bottom left-hand corner. On mobile, click the 3 circles in the bottom right, and then select Provide Feedback. Our founders see every single piece of feedback that comes through, and we do our best to respond personally and promptly to your input. Okay, so that's what we've built so far with Reader. Thank you so much for taking the time to get on board with me today, and I can't wait to hear what you think.